What I really like for our payment gateway is Stripe. So if you're looking for something, you're selling a course or you're doing coaching or anything like that, what's great about Stripe is one, it's really easy to use for the most part. It's easy to set up an account, easy to set up a recurring payment, easy to set up different products, easy to separate it. But what's also really great is if a transaction fails, it'll retry the transaction in 3 days and then 2 days and then 4 days. And it kind of does that over and over until I think it tries it 3 or 4 times before it stops. And so if someone maybe they've reached their limit, they just bought a car literally yesterday and they have to pay it off tomorrow. I don't know why you'd put it on a credit card, but whatever. It'll try it again over the course of a week or so that when I'm going through and I'm looking at transactions that have failed, most of the times when I go back, they're already good to go unless the card has failed. So Stripe is the payment gateway that I really like to use.